Gandhara civilization stands as one of the most significant centers of Buddhist civilization in Pakistan. Beyond their historical and cultural value, these archaeological sites, ancient Buddhist monasteries, offer incredible potential for religious and cultural diplomacy as well as tourism. They serve as bridges connecting nations, fostering understanding and building lasting friendship. Through the lens of cultural diplomacy, we can showcase the beauty and wisdom encapsulated in these relics, inviting people from all walks of life to immerse themselves in the teaching of compassion, peace and tolerance.
Our commitment to the protection and preservation of Gandhara heritage by implementing the principles and actions outlined herein, we seek to ensure the safeguarding of this unique, irreplicable legacy for the benefit of all humanity, fostering cultural understanding and inspiring future generations. My feelings, one day daily flights will be there from majority of the Buddhist countries on daily basis. Here in Pakistan, we are ready to welcome you.
We have to say that it's a very much successful. I believe that there must be a Pakistani indigenous people who came out and then able to create such a magnificent gift for the world. And that is every Pakistani should be proud of. I want to see those places not under the identification of religious affiliation, but I want to see as this is Pakistani heritage, which has a very influential impact upon the world population.
This conference is to serve his purpose because the message will prevail all over the world that Pakistan, the government of Pakistan will definitely promote the religious tourism.
आज जो तक्षशिला डिक्लेरेशन है उसका ड्राफ्ट मैंने सारे एम्बेसडर्स के साथ, सारी हाई कमीशन के साथ और आज मैं सारे मॉन्क्स के साथ भी शेयर कर रहा हूँ कि वो अपने मुल्क के अंदर जाएं, अपने फॉलोअर से पूछें, अपनी मुल्क से पूछें, उनकी पॉलिसी को देखें और इस गंधारा टूरिज़म में, इस गंधारा सिविलाइजेशन में, इस प्रोटेक्शन में, इस प्रिवेंशन में, इस प्रोमोशन में, इसकी एक्सकेवेशन में, हर चीज़ में हमारा साथ दें। आज हमारे नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल मीडिया के थ्रू जब दुनिया के अंदर ये क्लिप्स जाएंगी कि द मोस्ट वनरेबल मॉन्क्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज आर विजिटिंग पाकिस्तान एंड इन द ओपन स्काई दे आर praying before the stupa, I think it is a message to change the mindset of the people of the international community that Pakistan is ready to welcome you, to assist you, to facilitate you to visit the Buddhist site, because the start of the Buddhism is from the Pakistan.